Most people assume all digital payment apps are equally safe. That is a huge mistake. Because the truth is, not all money apps protect your information in the same way. Here's the truth no one tells you. Safety in payment apps is not just about passwords or PINs. It is about how your money is stored, how transactions are processed, and what happens if something goes wrong. In this video, you will understand Apple Pay versus Cash App in a simple, beginner-friendly way. We will break down which one is safer, how they actually work, and which one you should trust with your money in 2026. And stay with me, because in a minute I'll show you the biggest hidden difference between these two apps that most users completely ignore. Let's start with Apple Pay. Apple Pay is not actually a bank account or a wallet in the traditional sense. It is a digital payment system built into Apple devices like iPhones and Apple Watches. When you use Apple Pay, you are not directly sharing your card number with the merchant. Instead, Apple creates a unique encrypted code for every transaction. Now here's where it gets interesting. This means even if a hacker intercepts the payment, they do not get your real card details. They only get a temporary code that cannot be reused. So for everyday payments like shopping, transportation, or online purchases, Apple Pay is extremely secure. But here's the key idea. Apple Pay does not store your money. It simply connects to your debit or credit card. So your actual money is still in your bank account, protected by your bank's security systems. Now let's talk about Cash App. Cash App is different. It is a peer-to-peer money transfer app developed by Block, the same company behind Square. Unlike Apple Pay, Cash App holds your money inside the app itself. It acts more like a digital wallet. You can receive money, send money, invest in stocks, and even buy Bitcoin using Cash App. Jake uses Cash App to split rent with his roommates and send money instantly without needing bank details. Now here's the problem. Because Cash App stores money inside its system, it becomes a direct target for scams, fraud attempts, and user errors. But that does not mean it is unsafe. It just means the risk structure is different compared to Apple Pay. Now let's compare security step by step. First, encryption. Apple Pay uses device-level encryption. That means your data is locked inside your phone's secure hardware. Even Apple cannot see your actual card number during transactions. Cash App also uses encryption. But since it is an account-based wallet, the risk exposure is slightly higher if your login credentials are compromised. Second, authentication. Apple Pay uses Face ID or Touch ID for every transaction. That means even if someone steals your phone, they cannot easily make payments. Cash App uses a PIN or optional biometric login. But if your phone is unlocked or your PIN is weak, access becomes easier. Now here's where it gets interesting. The biggest difference is not technology. It is exposure. Apple Pay never exposes your real financial details to merchants. Cash App requires account-level trust, because money sits inside the app and can be targeted through scams or phishing attempts. Let's talk about real-world safety scenarios. Imagine Alex is shopping online using Apple Pay. Even if the website is fake, Apple Pay does not reveal his card number. The transaction is tokenized and protected. Now imagine Sarah using Cash App and receiving a message asking her to verify her account through a fake link. If she enters her login details, her account could be compromised. So Apple Pay protects you by design during transactions. Cash App relies more on user awareness. But here's something important. Cash App also has strong security features like fraud detection, encryption, and optional security locks. So, it is not unsafe. It just requires more caution. Now let's compare speed and convenience. Apple Pay is extremely fast. You tap your phone and the payment is done in seconds. No need to open apps or enter details. Cash App is also fast, especially for sending money between friends. But it requires opening the app and confirming the transfer. So in terms of speed, both are good. But Apple Pay feels more seamless in daily use. Now let's talk about fraud protection. Apple Pay benefits from your bank's fraud protection policies. So if something goes wrong, your bank can usually reverse unauthorized transactions. Cash App has its own support system, but dispute resolution can sometimes be slower and more limited depending on the situation. This is a major point many users overlook. Now here's a simple breakdown. Apple Pay is designed for secure payments. Cash App is designed for money transfers and wallet management. So they are not direct competitors in every sense. They are built for slightly different purposes. But the real question is which one is safer for you? Let's simplify it. If your priority is maximum security during payments, Apple Pay is safer because it never exposes your financial details and uses device-based authentication. If your priority is sending money quickly to friends or managing small balances, Cash App is convenient, but requires more personal responsibility. Now let's address something important. Most security risks in both apps do not come from hacking. They come from user mistakes. Things like weak passwords, clicking fake links, or sending money to the wrong person. So no matter which app you use, your habits matter more than the platform. And in a minute, I'll show you 3 simple safety rules that can make both Apple Pay and Cash App almost risk-free for everyday use. First rule. Always enable biometric authentication. Face ID, Touch ID, or fingerprint lock should always be on. Second rule. Never click payment links from unknown messages or emails. Most scams start there. Third rule. Only send money to people you know and trust. Payment apps are not designed for anonymous transfers. Now let's talk about real-world usage. Many people actually use both apps together. For example, Alex uses Apple Pay for shopping and in-store payments, while using Cash App to send money to friends. This combination gives both security and flexibility. That is a smart approach. Now let's wrap everything clearly. Apple Pay is safer in terms of payment security because it uses tokenization, device-level encryption, and biometric authentication. Cash App is safe when used correctly, but it requires more user awareness because it stores money and allows peer-to-peer transfers. So the final answer depends on your usage. If you want maximum safety for everyday payments, Apple Pay wins. If you want flexibility for sending and receiving money, Cash App is more practical. But in both cases, your habits are the most important factor. No app can fully protect you from scams if you make unsafe choices. So the real goal is not just choosing the right app. It is learning how to use it safely. If this helped you understand the difference between Apple Pay and Cash App, make sure to like the video so more people can stay informed. Comment below which app you use daily. And subscribe for more simple breakdowns of finance and tech that actually make sense.